Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Cash App can't link card at this time error. First, go to Google and search Cash App support. Tap the official Cash App website, then click Check Status in the top right corner. Check for any current errors like issues with adding cash or linking cards. If Cash App is down, wait a few minutes or hours and try again. Double check your card details. Make sure everything is typed incorrectly. Even a small mistake can cause the card to be rejected. Still not working? Your card might not be supported by Cash App. Some prepaid or international cards won't work. And that's it. That's how to fix Cash App can't link card at this time error. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.